How are you all? Dave here from KPM Fuel Systems, and we've come here today. We've brought you into our fuel room. Just want to show you what we're up to. The last video or last release we did, we were just about to go to PRI in America, which is a massive trade show over there, and we released our fuel systems in the US for their Mustang, for their G8 Pontiac, their Chevy SS, which are the equivalent to our Commodore, their Camaro, the Gen 6 Camaro, which we've got here in Australia, their Gen 5 Camaro, the Jeep Trackhawk, the Jeep Grand Cherokee. So we released our fuel systems for all those vehicles in the US, and we were just bombarded. It was an amazing success for us. We're in our fuel room at the moment. This is the orders we are fulfilling for the American market. We've just been overwhelmed. Our first manufacturing batch, we just didn't realise the response from some of the major companies in the US as well. So major workshops, major Mustang workshops, major GM workshops, ordering our drop-in fuel modules and fuel systems. So overwhelmed at the moment. Our first manufacturing batch is just about to run out. We've got the US order being fulfilled now. That'll be sent away this week all over the States to major dealers. But we've also got we also need to take care of the Oz, as we have been doing so with our systems for the last 3 years. And just a video to let you know, we've got our version 2 systems that we released at PRI. Those of you that have used our systems before for the last 3 years, version 1, you know how easy, how functional they are. Now these version 2 are new and improved. You know, there's more features in them, makes it easier for you. There's one-way valves in them. They're more modular. And we've built them from the 800 to 1000 to 1500 to 2200 to 2700 horsepower requirements. So there is nothing in the world, we've seen it over in the States, these are the best systems in the world. They drop in, they're direct supply, no return. Why would you want to go return system when you can just drop in a system, direct feed flow, and away you go, everything's supplied. Just for our Aussie workshops, Aussie customers, we're really running out at the moment with our first manufacturing batch. They're flying out the door real quick. So just a quick note, please, if you've got a project on, please order it now. They won't last long. We are going to ramp it right up from here on in. So from the next manufacturing batch, we will have major supply available. But our first manufacturing batch, we've been overwhelmed. So if you need something for your project, our 1000 horsepower systems are pretty much plenty in stock, but our 800s and 1500s are flying out the door. So get it in now. Be on the list to purchase one if you need it. Just a quick recap. Our systems for the Australian market: Commodore, all the models from 2006 to 17, Commodore and HSV. Mustang, all the models 15 to current. The Australian supplied Camaro. Then we've got Jeep Trackhawk, Grand Cherokee, and again the American models if you've got one of those over here in Australia. Our systems also come with now our PWM Fuel Controller, which runs the fuel system if need be. They can be part of the system, or you can add them on later. They will keep the pumps running at a level where they can be controlled, keep the fuel cool, and enable us to run multiple modules in your fuel tank, therefore having up to a 2700 horsepower system. They are pre-programmed. All you need to do with our wiring kit, fit it up, start the car, and away you go. Check out our website. It's kpmfuelsystems.com.au for the Australian market, kpmfuelsystems.com for the American market. Check out all our systems for your vehicle, all the add-ons. It's very modular. You can start with an 800 horsepower drop-in module only, and as your requirements increase, so you can add on with the KPM Fuel Systems add-on kits. Just to finish up quickly, just to show you, we supply on the big kits, we supply everything, including pre-fabricated stainless steel fuel lines to supply all that fuel. Now they'll fit, you'll take your hard line off the car, fit our KPM fuel lines on, they'll fit exactly from all the way from the tank to the front. So all made to fit like OE, all made to fit easily. So guys, can't stress enough, we've just been overwhelmed. We thank you so much, all our customers from previous. The guys who haven't used our systems, please try them. You'll be amazed how easy, how functional they are. It's like an OE, original equipment setup. Be quick, because this batch will run out quick. Next batch, we're just going to ramp it up for both the US and Australian market, because the response has been overwhelming. I thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. We'll start to do some tech articles on how these systems work.